Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube videos using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the video section, and at the video section, you should scroll a little bit until you find the YouTube video section. Now, if you tap on the YouTube video, then Canva is going to create for you a file which has the exact ratio, quality, and settings for a YouTube video. And from here, it's your task is very easy. You can either go and add videos from the Canva library. You can upload your own, add text and narration, audios, and really anything. Or you can go to the templates section where there are professionally made video templates made by professional designers and video makers, and you can use one of these templates for your YouTube video. Obviously, when you choose such a template, you can go and customize it to the fullest. You can change the text, you can add your own logos, you can change the subscribe button or anything. So the customization, the sky is the limit. So but it is still easier to use such templates than to create on your own all these different elements. As you can see, there are subscribe buttons, there are intros, and in these intros obviously you can add your own videos. You can change the background and just keep some of the design elements, or you can keep everything if you want. As you can see, all these templates are very professional and easy to use. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.